In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can rotate, resize, change direction, any type of clip art or design. So for example, let's go ahead and bring in an image. So all I'm going to do is pretty much, let's start with like a clean canvas. I'm just going to go on the right hand side here and scroll down and hit shift and hit all my layers that I've already got there. So by hitting the top layer and hitting the shift button and hitting my last layer, I can pretty much select them all and drag and delete, obviously not deleting your background. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring in an image. So once again, we can either go File, Place Embedded, find where your image is saved, and let's just click onto this solar system. Okay, first off, you will see your image has a bounding box around the image. And if you hover over these little black boxes here, you'll see that my arrow changes. You see how it changes? Okay, and these are like directional arrows. And this just means you can move your image around anywhere you want. So you can drag it to make it smaller, bigger. Okay. Now, one thing I would suggest is hitting the shift key and dragging it up and down. This will keep the proportion of your image. Another feature is if you go to either corners of your bounding box, you will see that the arrow now changes shape. And what that does is, what that means is that all you have to do is drag your mouse and your clip art will move around, or your design can move around. All right. Another feature once you have your bounding box is if you right click on the image, this little box will appear and you can pretty much scale, rotate, skew, perspective, and the main ones I like to use is the flip horizontally and the flip vertically. Okay, so if you just click that, it pretty much just changes the direction, and vertically. Okay, so that's what that does, and all you need to do is you can either hit enter on your keyboard, or you can hit this tick button, or on the right or on the left hand side your select tool, whichever one you want, and this will then place your image onto the canvas. Another way of also being able to transform your design is by making sure you obviously clicked onto that layer and you go to edit, transform, and there is your flip vertically and horizontally. Okay, and another Photoshop keyboard shortcode is by hitting Control or Command and T for Tango, and that will then bring up your bounding box, and then you can go ahead and enlarge or shrink or rotate it. And that is a quick overview on how to resize, change direction, rotate your design.